Hey guys, so I'm back with another shopping haul. This time I am at Ross just for less. And I was like, let me go in here and see what I can find for us bedazzlers. So I did find these containers, $2.99 guys. $2.99 for these containers. They have some small ones and some big ones. Perfect for all your crafting tools. I found some wine glasses. Look at those. You can bedazzle those. You can bedazzle those. And more containers. They have so many sizes of containers, big ones, small ones. I mean, containers for whatever you need. So that's what I found. I also found these desk organizer things. I thought they were so cool. They're called desk pads. I thought they were so cool to put on your desk or wherever you bling out, to keep your stuff nice and organized and from falling off the table. Keep everything nicely in place. They had different colors: pink, black, blue, all these type of colors. They also had super tight glue. I'm a big fan. If you watch my videos, I love super tight glue, and it's only $2. $2. I also found this organizer for $35.99. It was super heavy, so I didn't want to take it all the way out, but yeah. And guess what, guys? I felt like I was at the Crocs store. There was so many Crocs to choose from, different colors, different sizes, for kids, for men's, for women's, for everybody. They had so many Crocs, like, I can't even, these are just some of the ones I found, This one didn't even have a price, and if you didn't know, you can look at the back of the shoe. You see that little number? That's the price. I don't know who wrote that. I don't even know what number that is. But if you ever want to know the price of a shoe when it has no tax, just look at the back. And that is the price. So yeah, look how many Crocs I found. $15 for those. And Crocs can be expensive. And guys, if you are into tumblers, bedazzling tumblers, epoxying your tumblers, whatever, Ross is the place to go. They have so many tumblers and good brands too. Go there. You can't beat those prices that you're gonna find there. So yeah, I didn't find much. Look, all the Crocs I got. I'm gonna do something with those and with these tumblers that I found. So, oh, and if you're into Halloween, it's there. Halloween has arrived at Ross. If you're into it, a little bit random, but just throwing it in there. So yeah. Oh, and also they have self-checkout at Ross, guys. So now I'm gonna show you guys what I actually got. I swear I felt like I was in Croc paradise. I didn't find much for to bling out with, but I found so much to bling out. So yeah, so I got these glittery silver ones. Oh my god, they're so cute. And $13, guys. $13. Crocs can be so expensive. This was a huge find for me. And then look at these. I got these Crocs that are paint splattered look going on. They're super cute for $20, guys. $20. That's still cheap, compared to the Crocs store. They can be really pricey. And then look, I got these aqua blue ones. Super cute. $13 also, guys. Go to Ross and get yourself some Crocs so we can bling them out later together. Look, I got some silvery ones for my daughter. I like to match with my daughter. Call it corny, call it whatever you want. I don't care. I like to match with my daughter. That's why I got her a pair. I got me a pair. So we can, be matchy. And then I got these hot pink Croc sandals. Super cute. These come with gibbets, which is pretty cool. And they were $15. $15. I could not say no to these. So brought them home with me. And then, like I said, I like to match with my daughter, so I got me the aqua blue ones also. And then, so yeah, look at these Crocs that I got. There's still a lot more left. I don't know. I was thinking about going back and getting more. $13 for these, guys. $13. And then, so yeah, these are the ones I got. And then, look, I cannot say no to these. We are a bedazzling channel. And we love to bedazzle, but look, we can't bedazzle this more. It's already coming blinged out and shiny and ready to wear. I had to bring these $30 bands home with me, okay? So, and then like I said, tumblers. If you need tumblers, go to Ross. They have a good brands, good prices. Look at this SD Padres tumbler. You know I'm gonna bring it out. $10, guys. $10. So yeah. And then, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you subscribe. Let me know if you guys like this type of videos where I go out and find stuff we can bedazzle, or you know, where to buy stuff. And look, I also found this tumbler. Look how pretty it looks in the light. Got this like holographic thing going on. I was like, I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's already so pretty, but you know, we're gonna do something with it. We're gonna bring it out, and it's gonna look beautiful. So yeah, that's everything I got. I love the ones I chose. I really do want to go back though and get more. I don't know. And then, so yeah, so like I said, let me know if you guys like these type of videos, so I can go and shop for you guys, you know, and we can bling out together. So yeah, so like always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.